Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into some Valorant voice trolling as Jett using an AI voice changer. Let's see how it goes. It's gonna be fun.
Well, actually my real voice is way more high-pitched. Do you want to hear it?
Yeah, it's so fun.
Really?
Show me, please.
Or should I say...
I'm actually just 9 years old.
If you're curious about how to have a funny voice troll in Valorant voice chat, time to get serious for a second and show you how to set this up. It's super simple to sound like with EaseUS VoiceWave, and I'll show you how amazing this Valorant voice changer is. Download this AI voice changer via the link in the description. After installation, just open VoiceWave and go to Real-Time Voice Changer. Find and select Jett AI voice effect, then click to start voice changing.
Hey guys, I'm already Jett now, but as you hear, it's a little bit deeper than real Jett voice. No worries. Increase my pitch on the adjuster on the right, and now my voice sounds exactly like Jett herself.
If you have a deeper voice like me, remember to raise your pitch by 3 to 5 when using the female voice changer. You can change your voice to Reyna
Hi dude, it's Reyna.
or Chamber.
Well, now I get chamber voice.
Actually, you can sound like anyone. And then I'll show you how to set EaseUS as the voice input in Valorant to change your voice in real time. Step 1. First, head to Settings in Valorant. You'll see a gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click it. Step 2. Next, go to Audio and under Voice Chat, select VoiceWave microphone as your input device. Simple as that. Once that's done, you're all set to start trolling and having fun in your game.
Alright, let's go, guys. I'm pushing mid, cover me.
I'm already flying through mid. Can't touch this.
Wait, hold on. Did you just do a Jett voice?
Yo, I heard that too. Did Riot finally add AI voice packs or something?
Oh, I've been Jett this whole time.
Bro, no way. You sound like Jett if she mainlined energy drinks.
Excuse me, this is my natural voice. I was born with this anime protagonist energy.
Yeah, that's quite reasonable. Next, you're gonna say you actually have a knife collection like her.
Okay, maybe I have one knife for cutting fruit.
Alright, bro. Enough. Turn off that voice changer and show us the real deal. We are waiting for the deep voice.
Well, actually my real voice is way more high-pitched. Do you want to hear it?
Yeah, it's so fun.
Really?
Show me, please.
Or should I say...
I'm actually just 9 years old.
What, 9? Bro, we've been getting coached by a 4th grader this
Hey.
whole time.
That must be a voice
I have
changer.
really good game sense for a 9-year-old.
Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the troll, and remember, if you want to try this out yourself, it's super easy with EaseUS VoiceWave. Just follow a few steps and get your voice to sound like Jett, or even switch it up to something else like Reyna or Chamber. Catch you in the next one. Bye.